Have you ever considered the unconventional practice of applying castor oil to your belly button? Despite its peculiar nature, this ancient tradition boasts a legion of supporters who swear by its surprising health benefits. But is it merely a placebo effect, or does it hold genuine therapeutic value? Today, let's delve into this age-old remedy and uncover its remarkable advantages that have been passed down through generations. Before delving into the benefits, let's explore the fascinating anatomy of the belly button. During fetal development, the umbilical cord served as a vital link between the mother and the growing baby, facilitating the transfer of essential nutrients. Remarkably, even into adulthood, the umbilical vein remains intact, serving as a direct pathway into the body. It's a testament to the intricate marvels of human physiology. So, what sets castor oil apart? This viscous oil is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, believed by scientists to possess anti-inflammatory properties, antiviral and antifungal effects, and analgesic properties. While commonly known for its laxative properties, castor oil offers a plethora of benefits when applied to the belly button. Let's explore them further. Benefit number 1. Digestive health and weight management. Castor oil aids in alleviating constipation by reducing gut inflammation. Improved regularity may lead to normalized appetite signals, potentially facilitating weight management through enhanced nutrient absorption. While not a miraculous solution, it complements a healthy lifestyle. Benefit number 2. Stress and anxiety relief. Amidst the chaos of daily life, managing stress and anxiety is paramount for overall well-being. Instead of resorting to unhealthy coping mechanisms, massaging castor oil into the belly button offers a soothing alternative. Whether attributed to placebo or genuine physiological effects, the result is a palpable sense of calm that can positively impact mental health and relationships. Benefit number 3. Enhanced sleep quality. Adequate sleep is essential for cognitive function, mood regulation, and overall vitality. For those plagued by sleep disturbances, incorporating castor oil into their nighttime routine can be transformative. By promoting relaxation, it facilitates deep, restorative sleep, fostering a rejuvenated state upon awakening. Now you might be intrigued and ready to give belly button oiling with castor oil a try. But before you rush out to purchase just any bottle of castor oil, let's discuss how to select a high-quality product. Here are some key factors to consider. Organic. Look for castor oil from reputable companies that prioritize organic farming practices, avoiding the use of questionable chemicals or fertilizers. Cold-pressed. Opt for oil that has been extracted without heat to preserve its beneficial properties. Hexane-free. Ensure that the oil is free from toxic solvents or pesticides commonly used in the extraction process. Now it's important to address a lesser-known aspect of castor oil usage, the detox reaction. Despite its potent anti-inflammatory and cleansing properties, some individuals may experience detoxification symptoms such as headaches, nausea, irritability, or skin breakouts, particularly if they are new to using castor oil, have taken a long break, or maintain an unhealthy lifestyle. The solution? Take it slow. Start with just a drop or two and gradually increase the dosage as tolerated. Support your body through the detox process with adequate hydration, rest, and a nourishing diet. While the detox reaction is not universal, it's prudent to proceed cautiously to minimize discomfort and ensure a positive experience. The practice of belly button oiling with castor oil offers a myriad of potential benefits, from improved digestion and sleep to reduced stress and anxiety. Whether attributed to its anti-inflammatory fatty acids, lymphatic stimulation, or placebo effect, many individuals attest to its efficacy. And if it aids in weight management, even better. Remember to select a high-quality oil and listen to your body's signals as you embark on this journey of self-care. Your well-being deserves the utmost attention and care. Now, I'm eager to hear from you. Have you experimented with castor oil in your belly button? What benefits did you observe? If not, what aspect of this discussion intrigued you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this information valuable, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones. You never know who might benefit from this knowledge. Thank you for joining me today. Here's to your vibrant health and happiness. Until next time.